大家好. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Katrina and I'm the founder and teacher of Swan Mandarin, and my job is to help you speak and read Mandarin Chinese with confidence and joy. In today's lesson, it's a very spontaneous lesson. I'm going to teach you how to say I can tell something something. I cannot tell something something. And this lesson content was inspired by one of my coaching section with my students in our Chinese speaking program. Today we have our coaching section and we were talking about this, and I thought this would be a good idea to share with you how to say that in Mandarin Chinese. And before we get started, don't forget to hit the like to this video and also subscribe to my channel so you won't miss anything. Now let's get started. So if you look at someone and then you want to say, oh, I can't tell that you are 35 years old already. So that's a compliment, right? So how do you say that in Mandarin Chinese? In Mandarin, you could say 我看不出来你35岁了。我看不出来你35岁了。So 看不出来, as you can see right here, that is the phrase means that I cannot tell. So 看 to see, to look, to read, to watch. 看不出来 means that I cannot tell by seeing, by watching, or by reading. By my eyes, 我看不出来. So what you cannot tell? I cannot tell that you are 35 years old. 我看不出来你35岁了. I cannot tell that you are 35 years old. Okay, or you could also say 我看不出来 I cannot tell by seeing 这个多少钱. Maybe someone asks you how much is this? 这个多少钱? And you're looking at something and you say, nah, I cannot tell. You could say 我看不出来看不出来这个多少钱. So you could say 看不出来. Also, you can make sentence with 看不出来, cannot tell. The opposite of 看不出来 is that you can tell by seeing something. In this case, you could say 看得出来. Okay, 看得出来, so I can tell. 我看得出来. So maybe you see someone who looks very smart, and you could say, oh, 看得出来他很聪明. 看得出来, I can tell by seeing. 看得出来他很聪明. So I can tell that she is smart. Okay, 看得出来. I can tell by looking at her, seeing her behavior, or something else. 看得出来她很聪明. Or you can say 看得出来她不太聪明. 看得出来她不太聪明. Okay, I can tell by seeing that she's not too smart. She's not that smart. 看得出来她不太聪明. So, if you can tell, you say 看得出来. If you cannot tell, you say 看不出来. Okay? Or you could ask a question. You can ask a person, can you tell how old is she? How do you say to a person? Can you say that in Mandarin Chinese to a person and say, can you tell how old is she? 中文怎么说呢? How do you say that in Mandarin? You can say, 你看得出来她几岁吗？她几岁？How old is she? 她几岁？你看得出来吗？ Can you tell? 你看得出来她几岁吗？ So that would be a question. Now, let's just change 看 by seeing, okay, that's the verb, to a different verb. Let's see, for example, you could say 听得出来 or 听不出来. Let's use the negative first. 听不出来 cannot tell by listening. In what case we would say cannot tell by listening? Maybe you listen to a person's no, like English, and from the accent or pronunciation, I would say, oh, 我听不出来 他是哪里人 ？OK, I cannot tell. 听不出来 by listening to him. I cannot tell by listening to him. 我听不出来他是哪里人 Where is he from? 我听不出来 Maybe from his accent, maybe from his, pronunciation. I cannot tell where is he from. 我听不出来他是哪里人 If you can tell by the person, by listening, you can say 我听得出来我听得出来他是中国人 I can tell by listening, maybe accent pronunciation. I can tell by listening. 我听得出来他是中国人 or 我听得出来他是台湾人 OK, 听得出来 OK, if you want to compliment a person's like, oh, your Mandarin is so good. I cannot tell by listening that you are a foreigner. When you speak Mandarin, you are so fluent, so good. You speak Mandarin so well. I cannot tell that you are a foreigner. In this case, I would say, 我听不出来你是外国人。你的中文 Maybe I would just say something like this. 你的中文说得真好。说得真好，你的中文说得真好，听不出来你是外国人。你是外国人，对，你的中文说得真好。You speak Mandarin so well，听不出来。I cannot tell by listening，听不出来你是外国人。So this lesson was inspired by one of my Zoom coaching section in Chinese speaking program. So if you're interested to join my program, Chinese speaking program, then you can click the link down below in the description. There's a link about this program. So we use weekly coaching call and weekly mini challenges and live lessons to help students to improve their Mandarin speaking skills and confidence. As you can see that this is what's inside the program. So we have live mini lesson. We also have students posting their practice video to practice their Mandarin Chinese. And the student can also talk to me inside our chat box right here. So this is how we help students to improve their speaking skills, fluency, and confidence. All the coaching calls and mini lessons, live lessons will be uploaded to the curriculum. So once you join the Chinese speaking program, you will have the whole access to the community as well as the whole curriculum. As you can see, we have so many lessons here in this curriculum. Each lesson, you have videos, you have audio review, and you have PDF download to study and review. Also, you can ask questions right here in the comment section. And if you have other questions about Mandarin Chinese, you could definitely go to our Chinese speaking program community and ask your question, upload your practice video, or talk to us in the chat box. So if that sounds like what you need, then make sure to click the link in the description and join our Chinese speaking program. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the program. 再见，再见。